Hello. In this video, I show you how to manually update a physical machine agent for a Windows machine and then for a Linux machine. In a regular scenario, physical machine agents are automatically injected into machines discovered by NAKIVO Backup and Replication. These agents are also automatically updated with the other components of the solution. However, when an agent is manually installed, then you need to manually update it to match the version of the director. First, log in to the web interface of NAKIVO Backup and Replication. Navigate to Settings and go to Nodes. I have two physical machine agents, one on Linux and one on Windows, and both are version 10.11.1. To update a physical machine agent for Windows, click the download icon and click Physical Machine Package for Windows. After the download is completed, go to the installation folder and back up the bhsvc.id and certificate.pem files. By default, the installation folder is C drive program files /NAKIVO Backup and Replication /transporter. In this example, I copy these files to the desktop. Next, uninstall the current physical machine agent from the machine. Go to Control Panel, click Programs and click Uninstall a program. Select NAKIVO Backup and Replication and click Uninstall. Windows will uninstall the NAKIVO agent from this machine. Next, we need to extract the contents of the agent installer package to the agent, that is, transporter, installation folder. If the folder doesn't exist, then you need to create the folder. The folder path is C drive program files /NAKIVO Backup and Replication /transporter in this case. Go to the transporter installation folder. You also need to extract the transporter-physical-windows.7z file in this folder. Then, we need to run the install.ps1 PowerShell script as administrator. When you see a question about the execution policy, press Y and hit Enter. Wait until the script execution is finished. In the next step, we need to copy the two files we backed up earlier to the NAKIVO Backup and Replication agent installation folder. When an operating system asks you to replace the files, confirm that and select Replace the files in the destination. Open the Services snap-in. You can do this by running services.msc in the command line. We need to restart the transporter service. Right-click the NAKIVO Backup and Replication transporter service and click Restart in the context menu. Go back to the web interface. Hover over the three dots icon at the Windows machine agent and click Edit. In the Security section of the Windows Agent Settings window, click Connect and accept the certificate. Then click Apply. As you can see, the physical machine agent has been updated to version 10.11.3. Now let's look at how to update the physical machine agent for Linux. First, download the agent the same way as I did for Windows from the Nodes page in the NAKIVO Backup and Replication interface. Then transfer the downloaded physical agent installer file for Linux to the target Linux machine. To do that, you can use an SFTP client, such as WinSCP. Connect to the Linux machine via SSH. I use PuTTY as an SSH client. Go to the NAKIVO Backup and Replication physical agent installation folder using cd/opt/NAKIVO/transporter. Copy the bhsvc.id and certificate.pem files to another directory to back up these files using sudo cp bhsvc.id certificate.pem/home/administrator. Run the uninstall script from the NAKIVO transporter installation folder using /uninstall. Type U and press Enter to uninstall the transporter agent. Once the uninstallation process is finished, run the installer of the new Linux physical agent version for Linux that you downloaded and copied to the current Linux machine via the SFTP client. Let's go to the directory where this installer file is stored, cd/home/administrator. Set the executable permissions for the agent installer file, sudo chmod plus x transporter physical linux installer.sh. Run the installer, sudo /transporter physical linux installer.sh EULA accept. You should see the following output: agent installed successfully. Copy the two files we copied earlier to the installation folder where the new agent version is installed. Sudo cpbhsvc.id certificate.pem/opt/nakivo/agent. Run the bhsvc script from the agent installation folder, cd/opt/nakivo/agent. sudo./bhsvc. Go back to the NAKIVO Backup and Replication settings in the web interface. Go to Settings, then Nodes, hover over the Linux agent, click the three dots icon and click Edit. On the Edit Agent Settings page, click Connect and accept the certificate. Click Apply. As you can see, we have the newer version of the physical NAKIVO agent for a Linux machine. Thank you for watching.